What's up, everybody? Uh, Somebody wanted me to open this mystery tackle box, so I am gonna go through it for you. This thing, I think it's about $12 a month, something like that. You can get your first box for $5. If you look up any YouTuber, you can get a code for that. It's pretty easy. So yeah, there's a couple different boxes. I believe there's 3. There is Pro, which I think is the middle. There's like an Expert, and then there's one below Pro. I forget what that is. And then you can pick whichever species that you're going for, or if you want to change it up every month, you can change it up. The other thing you can do is you can look on their website for stuff that you want to buy, like before they ship your box out, and then you don't have to pay shipping. So that's kind of cool. You know, just something to think about. The first couple of months, I've noticed quality's been pretty good with these boxes. Mine is a walleye box, but I've noticed everybody that gets like a bass box, they're getting like the latest and greatest. At least one, of the latest and greatest. And you'll see what I mean here. So we will start with cutting open the box here. So you got these things you can unfold. Trying here. Okay. All right, that's old Carl. Gives you a ruler, so you can actually just throw this box in your boat. That's kind of what I've been doing. And then I've been picking up these plastics. I've been trying different companies. I don't know, I'm not really brand specific, so I kind of see something I like and I grab it. It's gonna give you a list of everything in here. Now remember, this box is like $12, maybe $12.30 or something like that. I'm pretty sure. But your first box is $5. So if you guys can get a look at that, we'll start. I'll sound them off. We got Trapper, Tackle, Standard, Round, Bend, Treble, $6.99. Vexen, Rat and Wasp, $5.99. Jenko Fish and Slasher Spin Jig, $5.99. Carl's Amazing Baits Shimmy Shake, $5.99. Cast Steak Flutter Magic Spoon, $4.99. Z-Man Grub Z, $4.49. Producto Lure Buzz Tail Shad, $4.23. And Best Finesse Rig, $2.99. It comes with Dibble Tricks and Tips from Mystery Tackle Box. This month's coming 2019 catalog. So like you can look through this thing this month and have them thrown into your box for the next month. Okay, so here's these treble hooks. $6.99. Some decent ones. Here is the amazing shimmy shake. This guy was $5.99. Here's the spoon, $4.99. The other thing, it does come with a sticker. And my kid actually opened this box before I did and robbed the sticker out of it, so we're missing the stickers. It comes with some pretty cool stickers. I try to throw them just on my fishing box. We got the Vexen Rattling Wasp. This guy was $5.99. This is that finesse rig, I believe. So, yep, finesse rig. Okay, here is the buzzbait tail shad. And these guys were $4.23, and that is 10 of them in there. Tells you how to put it on. I mean, so yeah, that thing's got some weight. And then we got these Z-Man's Grubsies. And $4.49. It's got 6 of them in there. So, pretty cool. And these things will go perfect with these jig heads. I don't know, so pink looks, pink number, I don't know, 1/4 ounce. I don't know, I've been using a lot of white this year. I don't know about you guys, both me and my kid, and it really doesn't seem to matter like what, you know, if it's pearl white, you know, whatever, if it's white, you know, it seems to be working. So white with the pink. And you know, the guys over at Mystery Tackle Box, it's not like you know, they don't know what they're doing. So they're always coming out with new stuff. So hope you guys like the video. Maybe I'll do next month, give you guys an update. And please like and subscribe. Maybe we can get the subscribers up and start monetizing the videos. Might give me a little bit more incentive to do more videos. But thanks guys, have a good one.